to this very website. This is a free online web tool which has a lot of tools that people use it every single day. You can show here we have image tool. You can see under image tool we have the image resizer, compressor, we have the image bulk resizer, we have image cropper, and under the color tool we have color picker, image color picker, and lots more. Right, the interesting part of this website is that it is already monetized and showing advertisement. This website is not the only website doing this. If you come to this section, you're going to see we have age calculator right here. If you come over to this section, you're going to see a QR code generator, and if you come to this very section, you're going to see we have a word counter. These are web tools, and there are also many ways to monetize these two websites, which means you're not only doing this for building sake, we're going to be monetizing it so long as people are using it every single day. All right, so you can also build this as a mobile application, put it out there for people to use. One of my applications is already launched on Amazon and it's already monetized with ads. If you head over to Amazon for you to see that application, just to confirm that this is not a cock and bull story, this is already what is working for me. So if you come over to Amazon right here, just sign up on Amazon and come over to the Amazon App Store right here. When you click on that, then you're going to simply open that, then go to search app. Okay, simply type in Main John Francis. Right, you can see, just click on the enter button and this is going to simply bring out this application. All right, so this application was published on 24th of March. Okay, so if you click on this, you can simply download it. You can see it is 100% free. So on the application, you're going to see a lot of web tools that are already embedded there. So I'm going to simply guide you on the breakdown on how I build these applications, how I build these web tools, and also monetize them. All you need to do is to pay close attention to this very video and watch this video down to the very end, because I'm going to simply show you everything you need to know and how to go about this. Okay, so firstly, I'm going to simply show you how to build this on your website, and secondly, I'm going to simply show you how you can also do that on your mobile app. Okay, so if you come over to this section right here, I've been able to build this particular all-in-one tool. Okay, so you remember this particular one which we saw here has lots of tools. You can see multi-tool website. So that is the exact one which I built here from this very code, which I'm going to drop on our Patreon page, so you can simply download it. And if I go straight to this point right here and click on this basic calculator, it's going to simply come out, then I can use it. Okay, so if you click on the scientific calculator, you're going to see it. All right, and if you scroll down, you're going to see BMI calculator, you're going to see percentage calculator with cool animations. All right, so what we have to do right now is simply go ahead and host this. But before I host it, I'm going to simply show you how to create one. But remember, this is a multi-tool, but some of these platforms right here are basically one page to website. You can see why this one is just a one page tool, which is age calculator. All right, it's a one page to stuff. And if you come here, this one is also a one page to stuff. If you come here, this is also a one page tool. Okay, for you to create a one page tool website, all you need to do is simply head over to your ChatGPT. All right, you just have to head over to your ChatGPT and you're going to simply give it a prompt to create something for you. Okay, for instance, this is a prompt I added here: create a QR code generator web app in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript that works in browser, mobile, desktop, and in app. Okay, so what I'm going to simply do right now is simply send this, okay, to get a one page tool application or web app. Okay, but if you want to generate a multi-tool website, you have to make sure you give it a detailed code. You add all of the tools you want to add here. For instance, if you want a QR code, comma, then add let's say word counter. Even if you don't know the tools to add here, you can simply tell ChatGPT to give you a list of tools that you can build in the same place with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, and it's going to simply give you all the lists. Okay, so right now I'm going to simply generate a one tool application. All right, delete all of this stuff right here. Okay, then I'm going to simply send it, and ChatGPT is going to simply start generating this instantly. While it is generating, you have to simply go ahead and create an account on this platform, which I'm going to show you. First of all, you have to simply head over to your Adsterra, because this is a platform that's going to help you to monetize both your website and your application. All right, then create account as a publisher. All right, you have to sign up as a publisher. When you click on that, then it's going to simply take you to your account, so you have to simply register as a publisher. But if you already have an account, just log into your account, then come over to this very section right here and make sure you add your website. Okay, and the next thing you have to do right now is to simply go ahead and create your account on App Creator 24. This is what we're going to simply use to build our application. I already have an app right here, so I'm going to simply add this section to it. So we have to do right now is simply go back and check if the code or the app has been generated fully. All right, so if you go back to this very section, which is ChatGPT, you can show right here, this is the code, this is HTML. So it went ahead to generate this separately. Okay, so this is not what we want. We want it to generate it in one code block. Okay, so it's going to simply make all the code, both HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to be in one block. Okay, that's the best way to do it. Okay, so you can also use DeepSeek to generate this. All right, so it is done generating. So what I have to do right now is simply go ahead and copy this. When you copy that, then head straight to this very browser. Just search for HTML viewer, then go over to this very website to check out how it looks like. Okay, so let's delete this, then paste your stuff here. So you can show right here, this is the QR code generator right here. So you can simply enter a web address here. For instance, if you copy this, I want to generate a QR code, then paste it right here. You can simply generate that. You can see right here, this has been generated for us. You can download the QR code from here. You can see here. So if you scan this, it's going to redirect you to the website. Okay, it's basically how this works. Okay, but if you want to add more description, if you want to add more details to it, you can simply go ahead and add it. So for instance, if you go back to ChatGPT, tell ChatGPT to give you more of the features that you can simply add to beautify this very web page. Okay, so I already have a code which I've already generated. I simply go ahead and copy this. All right, you can go back to your website, then click on this page right here, then click on add new page. The next thing you have to do is simply go ahead and add the name of the page. Let's say all right, so when you add that, the next thing you have to do is simply go ahead and select code section. Then you have to simply go ahead and add this code right here. Okay, then you can see right here, this is the web 2. You can see how it looks like on the whole page, very much organized and working perfectly. Okay, you can see this website is already monetized with ads. You can see the advertisements are already showing right here. Okay, and here you can simply search anything you want to search right here, and this is the tool right here. They are all working perfectly on this very website. Okay, you can see right here, people can easily come here and use this application just for free without paying a dime. All right, and this is working perfectly. Then you have to simply go to the next step, which is also add this to your application. Okay, so I'm going to add this to the application by then clicking on this section page here. When you click on this section page, so I've already made a video on how to build an application on this very platform, so go ahead and check out our previous videos. Okay, then you click on this create section. This is very much easier. Then select HTML. Okay, then when you select that, select enter HTML directly, add the name, let's say all in one, then highlight all of these things, press the code here as well. It has been added. You can see right here, it has been added. Then click on this save button, then go back. So I'm going to simply view this on our application. All right, so remember, you have to make sure that your website is monetized with advertisement via Adsterra. Okay, so remember, we've already created our account on Adsterra. Just come over to your Adsterra right here, then add your website from here, copy your ad unit, then paste it on your website. And if my team have already built and monetized your blog, you don't need to do any other thing again from Adsterra or Monetization. Okay, so right here we've already built the web app and we've already developed the app as well on the application. So let's simply go over to my application from here. So I'm going to simply go over to the application from here. This is the application right here. Okay, you can see the app is opening from here, and this is the interface of the application. All right, then I'm going to simply come over to this very section, then scroll down from here. You're going to see we have right here, we have the all-in-one tool, which is here. You have the all-in-one tool, and if you click on all-in-one tool here, this is what we have here. You can see the web tool right here. This is the web tool, and I'm going to simply display that on the screen as well, so you can see this is the web tool. Everything is working perfectly just the way it is working on the web. Then promote this. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and join us on the Telegram channel and also on our Patreon to stay updated on what we do.